Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and iPhone, and I will show you how you can hard reset this wireless earphones. So simply we have to go for the settings on our iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth. As you can see, I'm currently not connected, but when we open the case, take a look, just refresh the list, and right now we are connected. So to perform hard reset, we have to rotate the case and then click and hold this button until this indicator blinks a few times on the red color. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it. We have to keep holding. And right now you can release that button. As you can see, it blinks 3 times and then it automatically moves to the pairing mode. As you can see right now, we are not connected anymore. As you can see, we can just tap here on them. As you can see, the connection is unsuccessful because we hard reset them, so they will be restored to the defaults and they will be forget all connected devices. So what we have to do right now, if you want to connect them back, just turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on back, and then just select our AirPods. As you can see, even our custom name changed for normal AirPods. So as you can see right now, we are connected, and basically that's how we can perform the hard reset of your AirPods 3. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.